It's okay. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Hey guys, it's 4 to 5 days later and I'm just holding up the camera for the first time. You guys, it's not easy having a child, doing it all by yourself. It's not easy. People that are vlogging, having 3 kids, 2 kids, and they are consistent. I don't know the strength you have. I don't know how you are doing it, but you are trying. I applaud each and every one of you. So I want to prepare spinach. This is the first time I'm actually using this leaf spinach. Is it baby spinach they call this one? Because they are quite small. So I've never cooked it before like this. Aside the one they put in the fridge, I just go to the supermarket to buy. But this time around, yesterday I went to the market. Yesterday was Wednesday. We have street market here. So I got this from the vegetable market, and you guys, it's very fresh, so I'm picking them. I will show you guys right now. Jasmine is here breastfeeding. That's why I'm sitting down. I'm just going to cover my hair with this. I don't like cooking and my hair is opened because hair can just fly and enter your food. I learned this from my mom. My mom will never cook with her hair open because my father, Jasmine, stay one place. My father doesn't like it. If you are cooking, you have to cover your hair. Will you stop that? Hey, stop shaking the camera, Jasmine. My ring light is already there in case I'm not having enough. Oh, in case I'm not having enough light when I want to film the food also. So my ring light is there. Ah, Jasmine! Oh my God, I'll also stop breastfeeding this girl. She has 2 teeth and my breast is suffering. No. You will soon stop breastfeeding. Ah! This girl knows what she's doing. She's laughing. So you're laughing, yeah? You're biting me and you're laughing. You're laughing. I don't blame you now. Like I said earlier, I've started washing the spinach and picking them. You guys, these ones are very small and it takes time to like wash and pick them. So this nylon here, I have meat that I'm going to wash. I've washed it once, so it's not proper clean. So I just want to finish doing all of this and wash it properly. I have some meat I'm going to wash here as well. I'm going to be using this pot to boil it first, okay? So yeah, I'm just tidying up this place. So you guys, the spinach has finished boiling, so I'm just going to be slicing it because I only just picked them and boiled them, so I'm just going to slice it like this. You guys, this is the same spinach you saw me picked and boiled. This is everything. It's so small. I never expected it to be like this, you guys. It's really very small. This is the fish I'll be using to make the spinach soup or stew. I baked it in the oven this morning. So as I'm cooking, I'm using the opportunity to wash the dishes because I have a lot of things to do today. So I don't want to mess up the whole place and leave it untidy. At this point, I think I'm using too much hot water. Look at what hot water is doing to my hands. Can you see my fingers? Hot water is dealing with me, but I can't just stop using it because this is winter. It's so cold. This pan is very old. I have refused to throw it away. I don't want to throw it away. I have different pan, but I still use this one. Ah, Esther, the hot water. Let's do it. I know hot water is not good, but if you know the kind of cold we are facing here, it's too freaking much. So you guys, I baked this meat in the oven. It's goat meat and cow skin. I don't really like using fresh meat, I mean boiled meat, to cook vegetable soup or stew. I don't know why. I prefer to like grill them a bit, even if it's not 100% dry, just a bit, so I don't feel I'm eating boiled meat. Though I can use it to cook other soup, but you see, those vegetables, I must dry it a bit. You guys, I'm very tired. I'm done cooking, I'm done cleaning the gas, cleaning the kitchen. Jasmine is at my back. My back is aching me. This part of motherhood is not easy. So I'll go and take my bath now and lay Jasmine to sleep, because she's sleeping already at my back. So I just want to lay her on the bed and go have my shower. I'm tired. I'm tired from carrying Jasmine because her weight is a lot. So I will see you guys later in the day, or in the evening, or tomorrow, whichever one. I will see you guys later. Good morning, guys. Welcome back again to the video, to the channel, to the vlog. You guys, yesterday I said I'm going to see you guys later. It's a lie. Immediately I dropped Jasmine and I went to take my bath. I just slept alongside with Jasmine, and when I woke up, Obi came back, we had dinner, and that was it for yesterday. So today is Friday. Yes, Friday. Yeah, today is Friday, and yeah, I want to like try getting the house together, arranging the house, cleaning. Tomorrow is Saturday. I don't really like cleaning on Saturday anymore because my husband's new job, they go to work on Saturday and close half day, like 12:31 p.m. he's done from work. So for that reason, whenever he comes back, I don't want to heap load of work on him, like giving Jasmine to him to carry. Jasmine is disturbing as well, so I don't want Jasmine to be disturbing him the time he's supposed to be resting. I don't know if you understand. So for that reason, on Friday I normally just do the things I can, especially when Jasmine is not disturbing me. I'll just use the opportunity to like fix things that I need to fix. So yeah, tomorrow then I'll finish up with what I'm supposed to do. That's if I can't finish everything on Friday. This is my new routine. Jasmine, what's that? That's your daddy's charger, Jasmine. So right now I want to dress the bed. So let me just show you guys enough of. So you guys, whenever we are going to bed in the evening, it's a bit of work, yes, but we always make sure to bring Jasmine bed close to our own, because I sleep in this part of the bed. So in case I want to breastfeed her at night, it will be easy for me, because she loves to sleep close to me. Like her skin will be touching your own, like that warmness. She loves to feel it, else she won't sleep. She will keep crying. Then we'll bring her to the bed. But it's very stressful when Jasmine is sleeping in this bed, because I will not be able to turn roll the way I want. So for that reason, we always bring our crib very close to ours. So in the morning like this, I arrange it in case she wants to play inside. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to arrange our bed and our own. Do you understand? I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you get me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. You guys, this part of my routine in this house is what I don't like. Jasmine has refused to eat. I don't know why. She don't like to eat her baby meals. She prefer adult food. Like, how can I be giving this girl adult food morning, afternoon and night? How? Her baby meals, she don't like accepting them. We always fight before she will eat them, which I'm not happy about. I don't know what to do. So if you see me feeding her this way, because I feed her this way, I put her in my hands like this and feed her, because this is what works for me. At least once I sing and sing and sing and my throat gets dried, she will manage to take one. But if I put her on that high chair, that eating table, she will not eat, except I'm feeding her with our own adult meals. See this girl. She's pretending to be sleeping. Or is she really sleeping? Do you want to sleep? See what I'm feeding her with? I'm giving her this food, a baby food. She likes it too, but she will not eat it from me. She will not accept freely until I go through all this drama. See, she has eaten, let me say, 1/4 of this. He never even reached half. So this is a struggle I don't like. Jasmine, please eat. Yum 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 yum. You guys, this is the reason why I don't use the high chair in the morning whenever I'm feeding her, because sorry, it's okay. She will not accept food from me. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know if you guys have any idea of what I can do for her to be eating her baby meals. Nothing I give this girl that has to do with infant meals that she will accept freely, except we struggle. But if it's rice, beans, yam, those stuff, she will eat them. But can I be giving her in the morning? That's the problem. She's sleeping. See Jasmine. She's sleeping. See her food. And this is my fear of stopping her from breastfeeding. I don't know if she stopped breastfeeding, what she'll be eating. Go to daycare. How will the teachers cope? And how will I cope as well? So this is my struggle, like real-time struggle. Ever since she started eating solid food, Jasmine has refused to eat her baby milk, her baby kidney corn, nothing, name it. She doesn't want to take any of them. So I don't know what to do anymore. I'm tired. I wanted to give her food and lose her hair and wash it. See, her hair is so scattered then. Roll it or pack it. Then I'll go and eat. I've not eaten. She has not even taken her bath. I was hoping to bathe her after washing her hair. She has not taken her bath. Now she's sleeping because I'm feeding her. Because this girl is eating, she's sleeping. So me, I've not even eaten. I've not done anything about myself. This is how we go through it every single day. Imagine staying abroad alone without help, without your family around you. It's not easy. You people that are living in Nigeria, hey, you are in heaven, paradise. This is the day I wash my hair. Wash my hair, I wash my hair.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of bird.
Jasmine. Jasmine just finished breathing and see, this girl won't let go of her sponge. She's holding it. Just finished bathing and washing her hair. Hey, Jasmine. Hello, pretty. Hello, pretty. This girl can cry during wash time, hair wash time. She can cry. She don't like touching her hair. She won't even let you comb it, brush it, plait it. Like, it's not easy. And me, I will not even let go because she has hair. So she must plait this hair and she must wash it. See, she don't like it too. When I'm touching it, she'll be like, leave my hair alone. She's talking. Yeah. Say hi. Hi. Good morning, guys. I'm taking Jasmine to go see her doctor for control. Jasmine, are you excited to go see your doctor? And I have a couple of things to complain to the doctor. I wrote them down. So, hey, Jasmine, don't remove my wig. So, see this girl. You see what she's doing? And after that, I will noisemaker. I will go to the bank as well. Jasmine hair, I cornrowed it yesterday. How did I do? With the help of her father. Jasmine, stop making noise. So yeah, this is what we are going to be doing this morning. I'm dressed up already and about leaving the house. Jasmine, wait! I'm about to leave the house, so I'll see you guys.